Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the vehicle has electrical power and the ignition is on. Check the battery voltage and lights to confirm power. Inspect the fuse box for a blown window fuse labeled PWRWND or similar. Use a 12-volt test light or multimeter to confirm fuse continuity. Verify the driver door lock and window lock switch are not engaged or stuck. Try the passenger switch to see whether the driver switch is the issue. If power and fuses are fine, isolate the switch by using the passenger control. Try the passenger or master switch to see if the driver switch is faulty. Gently tap the driver switch and motor while an assistant holds the switch down briefly. This sometimes frees a sticking contact or broken gear. If tapping fails, remove interior screws with a 7mm socket to access the switch panel. Disconnect the switch and check for corrosion or broken wires visually and with a multimeter. If the switch and wiring test good, remove the door panel to inspect the regulator and motor. Test the window motor directly with 12V leads to check motor operation and rotation direction. If the motor runs but the window does not move, the regulator or cable is likely broken and needs replacement. Remove the glass from the regulator per manufacturer clips and mark alignment before removal. Replace the regulator assembly, reconnect the motor, and test operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.